Okay, hello dear friends, good evening, such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So the other day, as I was making video and I got one friend comment, and then we start to chat through YouTube. And I got to know that she's a singer, and I say, why not you make a video, you start your channel. She did has a channel. She did have a channel. So this video, I will just try my best to explain how to make video. What I make video is because you are relaxed. I am relaxed. It's not about making video to become famous, to make money, and to just to have fun. I think that is very important. So let's do it. For example, here is a kind of a quiet background, and you put a tripod in front of you. Now let's take a look. Here is the tripod. You see, I have a tripod in front of me, and if I need, I put a camera here. You can see, right? Can you? Yes. So this way, I can just talk very naturally and not moving. And for making video, one of the most important is stable. It's make you comfortable. You move, I move, but camera cannot move. It's very easy for people to see if the camera move. If the camera move, the camera needs time to fix its optical brain to focus on my nose or my hand to focus. If the camera is moving, it cannot focus on anything. You get the image quite blurry and quite disturbing. So fix your camera. If you have a tripod, use a tripod. If not a tripod, let it stand on a shoe case, on something stand. You know it, yes. You will figure out a way to fix the camera. Make the camera stand. Second, surrounding. There are many places. There is an umbrella, there is an old dead tree, there are some fence do not have leaf. They are not pretty. Surrounding is not as pretty. So choose a place, choose a frame that you are just perfect. Does not have to be too large. If you do not have a big frame, then you can put the camera closer to you so that you get just the perfect frame. Get the right frame. Third, sound. You can get a microphone, but if the surrounding is quiet, is good, with some noise, with some commotion, it's okay. If there is a huge noise, stop your video. If there is no huge noise, just use your microphone. Just use your phone's microphone. It gets very good sound. It gets the sound and it's sufficient. Much more things in the idea you are transferring. If you talk nicely, slowly, in the right pace, you are good. Sometimes I do one kind of video is voice over. And a lot of time, if you are shy, you do not want to make a video of yourself in front of camera, you can take some picture of the surrounding. Beautiful flower, beautiful trees, beautiful house, beautiful something, and compose it. Put your sound in. Now we will see this, okay? So I am using an iPhone. Here are the pictures of my painting my son has taken. And also, by the way, I will list these paintings on my Etsy shop. I really hope this. I usually do not force anybody. Anyway, I do not force anybody. If you want to support me, please buy a piece of buy a piece of this painting. I will give all the proceeds to my son. I want to encourage him to start to do something. Anyway, so you can choose picture. I go to iMovie, add a new program, add a new movie, add. I can choose a couple of these pictures. Let's say I choose 5 pictures, create movie. Now I can start to create a movie. See, I create this movie. These are only pictures, and each picture only 3 seconds or something, 3 or 5 seconds. How about I make it longer? Press the movie, the picture, extend it long. Now it's 25 seconds. Okay, so you can choose a few pictures, more or less. Make pictures and then start to walk from here to the lens of your like. Add, you can add voiceover. Now I will add voiceover. And you can work on your pictures and voiceover. If you have something good you are proud of, such as your voice, this is the perfect time to use your voiceover, right? Let me do it. Recording, record. Hello, dear friends. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. So let me try to do a painting of the morning. Stop. And then your recording is done. You accept. That's it. If you want to keep on talking, add more recording. Otherwise, make it short. We can make it short. See? We can make them very short. This one short, 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 this one short. Voila! A painting of the morning. See? Hello, dear friends. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. So let me try to do a painting of the morning. And also, sometimes if you do not have this tripod, or if you do not want to tripod, you need to fix it and do this and that, you can use just your hand. See, I'm holding with my hand right now. Oh, my muscle. Look at my muscle. I need to show you my muscle. Change hand. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at me. Oh, yeah. You need to see my muscle. Okay, so hold it also work, whichever way. Just be happy every day and be silly every day. I love you. I really do.